My name is Joshua Austin. I'm a restorative dentist in San Antonio, Texas. In my practice, we spend a lot of time finishing anterior composites, and I'd like to make that process a little bit faster. And one product that really helps me with that is made by Comment. It's called Q Finishers. Basically, it combines the coarse and the medium grit of burrs in our finishing process so that we get to skip one whole entire step. These are cross-cut finishing burrs that basically allow us to do our coarse finish and our medium finish all together based on how hard you bear into the tooth with the burr. Then once that's done, then we go on to our fine finish and then into our polish. So we can basically save 2 to 3 minutes per restoration by using a Q Finisher burr. And that is my expert tip for the day.